Good morning, children. Hello, children. How are you? I hope you're doing well. Children, we have finished our pre-midterm exams. Yes or no? How did you do, children? I think you all have done well. Very good, children. Children, in the last class, we have finished the lesson Bravo, Amir, Agha. Yeah, today we shall move on to the grammar part. Okay, children, the grammar here in this lesson is interrogative adjectives and interrogative pronouns. Okay, children, shall we move on to the topic? Okay, children, shall we start our class? Yeah, the first one is interrogative adjectives. So, we shall see what an interrogative adjective is. Interrogative adjectives. Children, an interrogative adjective asks a question. It acts like an adjective and is followed by a noun. So, an interrogative adjective is always followed by a noun. Remember, children, it is always followed by a noun. What, which and whose are interrogative adjectives. So, these three question words, what, which and whose, are interrogative adjectives. Let's see a few examples. Let's see a few examples, children. What color is the postman's uniform? Children, in this sentence, color is the noun. And what is an interrogative adjective? Because it is followed by a noun. Interrogative adjectives are always followed by a noun. And children, the word which qualifies a noun is called an adjective. So, what is qualifying the noun? So, it is an interrogative adjective. Now, the next one, which tree is the tallest? Tree is the noun and which is an interrogative adjective because which is followed by a noun. And children, I have already told you that a word which qualifies or specifies a noun is an adjective. So, which is an interrogative adjective. Okay, children? What book have you borrowed from the library? Children, what here is an interrogative adjective. Children, why is what an interrogative adjective? Yeah, good. Because it is followed by a noun. And what is that noun, children? It's a book. Very good, children. Which watch do you want to buy? Children, which is an interrogative adjective. Why is it an interrogative adjective? Because it is followed by a noun. Can you see the noun there? Watch. Watch is a noun. Okay, children? Whose car is that over there? Children, can you tell me what is an interrogative adjective in this sentence? Yeah, whose is an interrogative adjective. Tell me why is it an interrogative adjective? Yeah, because it is followed by a noun. And what is that noun? Car. Good, children. Children, now that we have finished interrogative adjectives, let's move on to interrogative pronouns. So children, let's see the definition of interrogative pronoun. An interrogative pronoun is a pronoun used in order to ask a question. So children, interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions. Children, now let's see some interrogative pronouns. Children, who, whom, whose, which and what are interrogative pronouns. I'll repeat once more. Who, whom, whose, which and what are interrogative pronouns. Children, now let's see an example. Which is an interrogative pronoun. which is used for persons, animals and things. Now here's an example. Which do you prefer? So children, which is an interrogative pronoun because it is not followed by a noun. Children, can you see a noun after which? No. So which is an interrogative pronoun. Children, the second one is whose. Whose is an interrogative pronoun. Whose is used for persons to show possession. So children, the sentence whose is this? Whose is an interrogative pronoun because it is not followed by a noun. Children, can you see a noun after whose? No. So whose is an interrogative pronoun. Children, the next interrogative pronoun is what. What is used for animals and things. Let's see an example. What is the answer to the last algebra problem? So children, here what is an interrogative pronoun because it is not followed by a noun. Children, can you see here? Is there a noun after what? No. So what is an interrogative pronoun. The next interrogative pronoun is whom. Whom is used for persons. Now let's see an example. To whom did you give the bill? So children, whom is an interrogative pronoun here because it is not followed by a noun. Children, now the last interrogative pronoun is who. Who is used for persons. Now let's see a sentence. Who won the race yesterday? Children, in this sentence, who is an interrogative pronoun because it is not followed by a noun. Children, I think you have understood now what are interrogative pronouns. Good. Children, just remember whoever, whomever, whichever and whatever can also be interrogative pronouns. Children, let's see the difference between interrogative adjectives and interrogative pronouns. Interrogative adjective and interrogative pronoun. So the first sentence, whose book is this? Children, here whose is an interrogative adjective. Why? Because it is followed by a noun. Whose is that book? Children, here whose is an interrogative pronoun. Why? Because it is not followed by a noun. Good. Now the next sentence. Which bag is yours? Children, here which is an interrogative adjective. Why? Because it is followed by a noun bag. Now, which is your bag? Which here is an interrogative pronoun because it is not followed by a noun. Now the third sentence. What noise is that? Children, here what is an interrogative adjective because it is followed by a noun noise. What did you say? Children, here what is an interrogative pronoun because it is not followed by a noun. So children, whose, which and what can be either interrogative adjective or interrogative pronoun. Okay children? Children, now you have understood what an interrogative pronoun is and what an interrogative adjective is. You even came to know the difference between an interrogative pronoun and an interrogative adjective, isn't it? So children, there's a small worksheet for you. You please do it neatly in your English class book. Okay children, we shall wind up our English class for today. Thank you children.